Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the blue fluffy shoes for your Bitmoji. So for that, you need to find a friend. So if you don't have any friend, what you can do, you can visit my profile, this Gypsy login. You can go to the profile, okay? Then you can see try on. You can tap on try on, okay? You will see this pop-up. Now tap on view item. Okay, you have to claim and wear, and done. Okay, now you can save it. Now you have the blue fluffy shoes. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this blue fluffy shoes from McDonald's Try Guy. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.